Good day, Brett here with Frankie Nunk YouTube channel, and today we're talking about lettuce baskets and growing them at your house. Super easy, small space, and once you have it, you've got all the organic lettuce that you can eat. Now you think about how much money you spend on organic lettuce. You go to the farmer's market, spend like $8 a bunch. Well, think, now you got that in your home, and when you add that up, you're talking thousands of dollars of savings, maybe even tens of thousands of dollars. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Super simple. So come on, let's get into it. So the first thing you need is the dirt. There's three things that you can buy, but it doesn't have to be perfect or the exact recipe. It seems to work pretty well. The main ingredient is this nice black peat moss dirt. And that is the majority of what you're going to use. Probably 80% of that is this nice black dirt. Now, we've got this stuff. Ground up coconut shell. This just helps kind of keep it from clumping. Keeps the black dirt from getting too sticky. Now the last ingredient for your dirt is this stuff. This is cow poop. Now this, you don't want too much of this, and you really got to break it up with your fingers. You don't want anything clumpy in there. The roots do not like clumps because they're small, fragile little roots. So this cow poop has all of the long-term vitamins and minerals that your veggies might need. And your lettuce is going to love it, and you're going to love your lettuce. It goes from cow poop to lettuce right to your stomach. Okay, so you throw in your ingredients and you just mix up your dirt. Get it a nice mix, not too hard, pretty easy, and just break up any clumps there might be until it's a nice, solid mixture. All right, so the only things you need is a little basket, maybe, 20 baht, 60 cents, something like that. And this is a breathable sheet. It's really good because it holds the water in and the dirt, but it doesn't, if you fill it up with too much water, it can still drain a little bit. It's wonderful. And guess what? It's free. You put the bag in here, like so. Okay, so now you've got your basket and your bag, and you just throw in the dirt like so. Super easy. It's nice and mixed. Feel for any clumps. You want to get it nice and full. Now you've got that nice cow poop going right into the dirt. All those wonderful nutrients right from the cow. I'm going to put the seeds down and then put a layer on top so I don't have to bury them. So the last thing you need is a little packet of seeds. This costs 25 baht, or about 80 cents or so. And this is a lettuce mix. Actually, we live in the country and it's a little hard to find exactly what I wanted. I wanted just the green leaf one because that one grows really well. But we'll try some of the red with this batch too, because that's what's in our little seed pouch here. Take a look at these seeds. So we're going to spread our seeds around. And I am not bothering to place it individually. Because what will happen is it'll be a nice bed and they're going to compete. And then as they start growing, you can pinch out your lettuce, making room. And see, I'd say that's about enough. And I've got enough seeds left over for another one. For the last step, I spread the seeds out evenly as best I could. You want to get it all in every corner so it really fills the whole bed up. And then you take a thin layer of this and just kind of sprinkle it evenly over the seeds. All right, well that's it. Just a couple of weeks, maybe 6 weeks, and you'll be eating lettuce for the next months and months, if not years, out of this one basket. So the last step is to water it. You don't need to flood it out, I suppose, but just make it nice and moist. Really get the seeds so they're soaking and you get a good germination rate. All right, so now it's done. Easy, right? The basket, not even $1. The dirt, not even $1. The seed's about $1. So the whole thing is like $2 to get you lots of organic lettuce. And all you got to do is once a day, give it a little shot of water like I just did. And we're going to go put it on the sill so it can sit in the sun. All right, well, that's it. So we're going to come back in 6 weeks and we'll show you what it looks like. Now you see this, it's a little leggy because it's fighting, but you got some really nice leaves in there. It's just really 4 or 5 weeks old. And you've got this nice, beautiful basket of lettuce. And you pinch off the big ones and then you'll make more space and it'll just get more beautiful over time. So I've found that this is really easy and it's great. And the lettuce is absolutely delicious. So I hope you like it too. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and we'll see you next time.